Today I'm going to show you an installation of an Australian-made Barrett exhaust into my DR650 and show you some sound comparison tests from stock to the new exhaust.
It must work because a lot of professionals use this type of exhaust. I'm going to work of art. I went black. It's got black wraps and it's a lot of black parts. And here's that end cap. They machined that from a solid block of aluminium. Not sure if you can see it in there, but I can see all the mesh inside the pipe. It's a work of art though, isn't it? It's a bit damaged here. Marked, which one? Sort of spewing. So anyway, you won't see that much. Not sure if it's visible. And sheer work of art though. I love it. It's awesome. Give that a polish up shortly. We'll do the sound test as usual. Obviously the engine is still got a nice little rumble to it, but on the road cold engine, not warmed up. Service yesterday by the dealer. So there we go. Got a bit of a rev so I can do it. Bit of a struggle. I can see why it's done this way. This is such a tight fit. I looked at one stage, it was too big and wasn't going to slip in. And that spring, that is hard and heavy to get on. It's easy enough, but it's a fair bit of struggle. Some nice vice grip polish. I did mark it there though, the looks of it. But yeah, it's it ain't going to come off. It's more than tight enough to seal. I assume that's another spark arrestor, which must go in from the other side, I'd say. Which means I've got to take all these bolts off. This cover here's got to come off. This bolt was really tight with Loctite. It just loosens off so you can slide your pipe out. This bolt comes out. That bolt comes out. You can see it's now loose, so we just twist it out of place. The pipe's off. It's a little bit of wriggling. It slides off really easy. Oh, it is heavy. I can't lift it by that hand, but just weighed it. It's 5.5 kilos. And the Barrett with all its hardware. It's 3 kilos. So nice and easy. The job's finished. Not too hard. Probably half an hour because of trouble getting the pipe to fit because of all the bends. Comes quite close to there. Oops. See, it hits there. Actually a beautiful product. Like I say, the machining is outstanding, mate. I'll give you a sound test once I've got the bike assembled. Let go of the accelerator. Actually is one almighty backfire. The only thing I used off the DR was that mount and that clamp. The rest of it was all Barrett's products. Well, finished, got the bike all assembled. Plates are on, side panels, Sergeant 6, that one. There's a little white up there. Clean it off and some armour all type stuff shortly.